Hello bird. Hello everyone. Kamustas? Hello, hello, hello. Oh, gardeners. Starting, guys. The gardener is starting to clean the backyard, the front yard. Yeah, it's ready for the spring. It's ready for put the flowers. Ayan, may abono na yan, guys. Oh. May abono na ito. Oh, lalago ng lalago yan. Ganon. Yahoo! Spring is coming! Finally, spring's here! Ayan, tutubuan ng mga iba't ibang bulaklak. As you can see, nasa ano tayo? Nasa bundok, ibok-ibok. Ayan, flower. Tumubo siya, guys. Once mo lang i-ano yan. Once mo lang itanim, tutubo na siya pag spring. Pero pag winter, maano siya. Ayan, tulip. Yay! Ang ganda! Ayan, ang ganda, guys. Oh, ang ganda, oh. Iba't ibang kulay. Tinanim lang ng once yan, guys. May purple, may yellow, pink, white. Ang ganda. Oh, free ano ka na. Free flower in the garden. Hindi ka nabibili at itatanim dyan sa harapan. Oh. Yan mo na lang. I think seeds or something nilagay nila. Para once na tinanim, tutubo at tutubo na lang yan, guys. Diba? Free pagod ka na. Pero mga iba, bibili sila yung mga gusto nilang halaman, yung talagang namumulaklak sa harapan nila, yung sa garden, di ba? Pag bulaklak ka, talagang sayang tignan sa mata. Siyempre, sa ano pang titingin? Siyempre sa mata. Alright. Kukwentuhan tayo dito habang naglalakad. Pababa. Galing po tayo sa taas. Napababa po tayo. This house is still not finished. This mansion is not finished. It's gonna take 10 years. Milyonaryo may-ari na ito. Wow. Grabe. Parang pinatayo na. Binago lahat, guys. Pinatayong bagong-bago. Kasi ang location is corner to corner. Wow. Oh. My. I'm not mistaken. Maybe Lebanese may-ari yan. Oh, may extra ano pa sa likod. They're eating their lunch. This gardener people. Group yan, guys, yung mga gardener. Group by group, may ano sila. Punta doon, punta dyan. By address pupuntahan nila. Para i-clean yung lahat. Backyard, front yard, the whole garden. I-renovate, lalagyan na abono. Ganon. Ito rin, nalagyan na abono. Yan. May ano na, lupa na iba. Go Habs! Go Habs daw. It's guys, it's Hub. It's hockey. It's hockey. Blue sky for now, guys. Blue sky and sunny. Oh, doon tayo galing. Oh. Ito rin, no? Nalagyan na abono. Umulan kagabi. Umulan, nag-storm. Oh, yan. Oh, may abono na yan. May crane doon, laki crane, no? Ginagawa to. I think it's a condo. It's a condo. Ang degrees ngayon, guys, it's this morning it's +2. No, it's -2, I think, this morning. -2 this morning, and now we're getting hotter and hotter, a bit, getting higher the degrees kasi ano na, paano ng araw, pataas. Alright, we're gonna see again the view deck. Yay! Pag summer guys, puno dito ang bulaklak. Dito, for now, wala pa. In the summer. Ayan ang view deck guys. You can see, yay! Hello view deck! Bus is right there down guys. Hello bird. View deck down. We're going down the street. There. Alright, so windy. Alright, wala pang mga dahon as usual. You can see all the trees. It's leaves coming out, but it's like tatampururot. Malamig ulit guys. Ayun. As you can see, very nice looking view deck. You can see the highway, you can see the lake, you can see the other side of the lake, the bridge that's going to New York. You can see it. The mountains, the place to do the apple picking is there. You know the big, where is it? You can see the, yeah, there. Where's the mountain is? There. Doon, mga ano, siguro yan 30 minutes by driving, by highway. Yeah, apple picking. Alright. Okay, let's go down. Dahan-dahan, bata tayo'y mahanyag. Birds are singing. Tweet, tweet, tweet. If you hear the birds singing, guys, I feel relaxing. Alright. Andito na po tayo sa baba. Alright. Here you go. This road is busy road. This place is the millionaire people lives. Diba? Dito ako nakatira guys. You don't know. Alam na this. We need to press this to cross the street. Come on. Let's go. This is nice, beautiful weather. That road guys going high, going to the mountain. One. Gotcha. Woo, good one. Gulat ako ha. Ala, flying in the sky. It's a recycle day. Go. It's recycle day. Mahal mga ano to guys. Mahal mga sahod niyan. Ganyan lang siya pero mahal ang sahod nila. Kulat ako. Sumigaw sa likod ko. Exercise niya. Nagra-run. Run. Thank you so much for watching. lumusot ng isa sa sidewalk. Hindi na niya kaya. Double ano kasi to eh. Double way. Lumusot ng sidewalk. Bye guys. See you later, alligator. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.